The easiest and fastest way for you to fix your cell phone if you formatted it and it's stuck with this padlock in the upper left corner is a completely free method. Anyone who watches this step-by-step video tutorial and follows our instructions exactly will be able to fix it and recover it quickly and easily. So, what are we going to do? We're going to connect to Wi-Fi to start this video tutorial. This method we're going to use in this video not only works for this phone but also for other devices. But it has to be on Android 16. If it has Android 15, you have to update it to Android 16. You'll find the method in the video tutorial description. Regarding how to update to Android 16, having said all that, the other thing I want to recommend is the following. We're going to use a fully updated tool that will allow us to recover our phone. How are we going to do it? You have to pay close attention to this video so that you can also do it and download it correctly. Activate and deactivate all the functions that we always do here in these videos. Because if you do everything correctly, the video tutorial will be 100% effective. Okay, so we're going to get to where that screen lock appears and where the Google account appears. We'll start the video tutorial from there. Now, here we're going to see what this screen lock has. Here it shows us the Google account. Okay, let's go to our PC. Let's start this video tutorial. We're going to go to our antivirus. Then, we're going to select the option that says Protection. Then we click here where it says Manage Settings. And then we have to activate this Real-Time option. It will ask for permission. We say yes, then we go to our browser. Here we're going to do the following. It has to be in Google. We type what appears here into Google. This is where it will take us directly to get the tool we'll be using today in this video tutorial. In Google, you'll see many methods where you'll be able to see many methods where to find this entry where there's this little padlock that says Apps. You're going to select it. Here, these options will appear. Now, what you're going to do here is scroll down. You'll find the tool here. Not only the one we're going to use today, but you'll also find other completely different ones in the latest versions. We're going to download this one. Here you'll also find the password where you can download it, extract it, download it. After you've extracted it completely, we're going to go here. Here. In the last option, you'll find this Android app that appears here. Right-click on it and run it as administrator. It will ask for some permissions, and you'll say yes. After giving these permissions, you'll see something like this. Here you'll find the option we'll be using today. It has to be on Android 16. If you have Android 15, you have to update to Android 16. With all that said, both the PC and the phone must be connected to a Wi-Fi network. Both the program and the phone, your phone, must be connected to a Wi-Fi network. Let's click here where it says FRP Android 16. Now, we're going to wait for the program to restart your phone twice. We'll guide you through the process once your phone is fully recovered. These tools always leave some errors on your phone. So to fix those remaining errors, stay tuned because at the end of the video I'll explain how to correct them, such as a frozen screen, excessive slowness, persistent operating system crashes, or application errors. I'll explain all of that here. You can see the PC beep because it's progressing well. And then this will load to 100%. Once it reaches 100%, your phone will begin to restart. This is going to be the first restart. You can see it just restarted here. Now that it's restarting, let's wait for it to complete the next process. Let's wait here. If you can see here, this would take us directly to. Now, this is going to be a second restart. If you can see, the padlock still appears here, some letters will appear here, and now the next restart will begin. Restart. Pay close attention to this video tutorial because the process is very easy. It's very simple. Here it is restarting. Now, when it completes this second, we'll wait for it to take us to the home screen, and I'll tell you what to do. As we've mentioned, these phones, even after they've been fully recovered, often have some errors. How do we correct all these errors? Well, at the end of the video, I'll explain how to correct the remaining errors on your phone. The recommendation is very easy. Wait until the end of the video so I can explain it. It's also in the description. From the video and in the first pinned comment, we have other alternatives to this one so that those who want to try a different method can do so. Also, let us know in the comments what you thought of this video tutorial. Now, we're being taken directly to the home page. Now, what we're going to do is the following. Pay close attention to this video tutorial. Now, what we're going to do is click here, on Add. Now click here on Manual, do not have any SIM card entered. Click Skip, click Next, click Skip, you're not going to add anything, click More, OK. When it takes you to the home page, click here. Here, our phone would be fully recovered. Now we're going to Settings, About Phone, and we're going to reset our phone so that it's free of any errors.